So now we're going to use the place value card method to find the product of 321 and 3, or 321 times 3. So using the place value card method, we have a box that sets up with 3 different sections: a hundreds, a tens, and a ones. So now we're going to break down 321. So we're going to put the 300 into a hundred spot. We're going to put 3 dots. Since there's a 2 in the tens, we're going to put 2 dots. And there's a 1, so we're going to put a 1 in the ones. Now since we're timesing by 3, we're going to do this 3 times. So 3 in the hundreds, 2 in the tens, and 1 in the ones. Now since we have 321, 3, 2, 1, 3 times, now we go by section and add up each of them. We're going to start in the ones. In the ones, we have a 3. In the tens, we have a 6. And in the hundreds, we have a 9. So your total should be 963. Now we're going to find the product of 145 and 4, or 145 times 4. So we're going to do the same thing as we did above. We're going to put the 1 in the hundreds, the 4 in the tens, and the 5 in the ones. Since we're timesing it by 4, we're going to do that 4 times. So now we have to look at it. Now we see if each of the sections and look at the total and count them up. Now for this one, we're going to do regrouping because there's 20 in this. So we can regroup this section 2 times. So which means we take 10 of these and come in here and replace it with a dot, because 10 ones adds up to 110. And we're going to do the same thing with another section because these also add up to 10. Again, because 10 ones add up to 110. Now we're going to check the tens and see if we need to regroup. Since we have 18, we need to take 10 and regroup it to the hundreds. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're going to take these 10 and add it to the hundreds, because 10 tens equal 1 100ths. Now we look at it again. Can we regroup one more time? We have 6 here plus the 2 from the ones, which equal 8. So no, we're done regrouping. Now we look at the 100 spot and see if we can regroup here, which we can't. So now we're going to go back to the ones and add up all that we have left in each section. Since we regrouped twice, we have nothing left, so that's 0. As I said earlier, we have 8 left because we regrouped 10, so we have 8. And then we have 5 100ths to equal 580.